Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka jela u Conrad ke sangma ulaong ban Pyndam no yakaan khalai lane ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act arhajar arphuwe kami satya namar kadai kaan ka balawan ra banbu ye ki kendon na ka banta ki kam khalai ki bala don lepa ki bala penyat bean bat na ka banta ki bre ki bajuele kai ya ki te ki kam khalai habakren syakilat pathai kubor hagas nginengkong Menteri Rangba ulaong balawan ra ya katekaan namar bakila don ki jingele kai khalai ki bala pentre kam klem kanu ka license hadu ki nigisngi bat ya ki neru don kam ban penyat bat pentre kam kat gum ki kendon ulaong baladas dang da ki jingele kai khalai ki bathamai ru don kam pat ya ki jingele kai khalai ki barem banyat bat pentre kam kat gum ki kendon Ulaong baka jingwan ra yakate kaan khalai kalong ban khanglat ikitrai jilla bakin yo abanya shembenta bat kate kaan kan khanglat ru ikisamla trai jilla ban yale kai haki kam khalai bat kani kadai ke aka babaro hi ki kwa lakalong nakipat ba niki seng ba pher ki badan hapo ka jilla Ulaong baka sorkar kamla ban Pyndam no yakate kaan namar baka dei kaan ka banbu yiki kendon jingale kai khalai ki baladon pa bat banbu kendon ru yaki bre ki baju yale kai yaki kam khalai Menteri Rangba ulaong baka jingkeli hi kami hakabe dei baka jingwanra yaga kam khalai bathamai yaka blatep kum ka kasino Henry ulaong baka sorkar hi kaladep ban keren daka basai bakan omyat syakman banbu ia ka kasino tat hadu bandadep ia selok bha bat baro ki badan benta bat hadien kata onsarai halor kani bat ulaong bakaan gaming hi kadai kaan bala periang da baro kinong mikman ki badan hapo ki yang dor bar thauan ka jella
So as I mentioned that the act was brought in precisely because there are gaming parlors that are functioning even today without licenses, jackpot parlors and other gamings that are going on. These need to be regulated. Whether we start new ones or not, the old ones need to be regulated. Number two, with these regulations that are coming in, it actually prohibits locals from playing. So it is precisely achieving the objective which everybody is wanting, which is that the youth should be not allowed to be played in these local youth should not be allowed to play. So this is actually exactly achieving what the people or the different organizations have been asking for. Hence, the question of repealing this does not arise because this is an act which is required to regulate the existing games and also regulate the people who are playing in these different areas. The question comes about starting new areas of gaming, which we have clearly mentioned that the government is not going to go ahead with any of that. And only after deep consultation with all stakeholders will we decide on the way forward. So we're very clear on that. And this is an act that has been passed by all the legislatures in the House. It's an act, and obviously all the MLAs and of the ruling side and everybody was part of this.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.